Hello, dear travelers. This is Natiang Monoliths, located in the West Jantia Hills of Meghalaya. Is famous for its impressive collection of ancient stone monoliths. These stones, standing tall and silent, are believed to date back several centuries and are deeply connected with the history and culture of Jantia Kingdom. The monoliths are erected to honor warriors, kings, and important figures of the community. Each stone carries symbolic meaning and reflects the tribal traditions, spiritual beliefs, and social structure of the Jantia people. Some are intricately carved while others are plain yet powerful in presence, reminding us of the time when rituals, sacrifices, and ancestral worship played a central role in society. Welcome to Meghalaya.